What's going on? Welcome back to Valtronic Designs. We got F chassis behind us. All the way on the left, 340i, full exhaust setup, CTS downpipe. Sounds ridiculous. Got our F80 equal length titanium full exhaust. But we're showing some love to the 328 here. This car has the F chassis rear section, and then it's got a mid Resonator delete, and then it has the secondary cat deleted as well. So this would be the ideal setup if you didn't want to tune the car or do anything crazy. Just doing your midsection deletes and then your valve Axleback. This car really sounds incredible. Even though the N26 is not normally a loved engine, this car sounds phenomenal. Let's show you guys all the different sound characteristics, revs, flyby startups, GoPro on the rear bumper, interior accelerations. We're gonna show you it all because that's what we like to do, showcasing the best sound experience. Let's get to it. Alright folks, we're inside the 328 here. This car, unfortunately, is a little bit unloved in terms of the exhaust experience. People do a lot of straight pipes, muffler deletes and stuff, but this is the best setup. The reason why is because these cars lack a lot of flexibility and they're actually very, very droney when they don't have exhaust valves and you cut out the rear muffler, you do Resonator deletes and secondary cat deletes and stuff. This exhaust is designed to give the ultimate experience. You can hear, get a little bit of overrun. It's nice, it's aggressive, but it's not crazy because we still have the OEM downpipe installed. No check engine lights, no issues with that at all. This is the right way to modify your 328 and put the car out of sport, put us back into the closed exhaust mode. The car goes back to being bone stock. It's awesome. So the best thing you can do for your 328 is start with this Axleback. We know it's expensive. $1,000 is not cheap for a rear section, but if you want the best experience, Valtronic's got it on lock. Don't compromise with anything else. All right, folks, I'm gonna stop talking now. Windows down. Let's enjoy. Let's get to it. Those pops with the stock downpipe are crazy. This car does have a very mild stage 1 tune, MHD, so that's where we're getting some extra pops and cracks from, but the car really has a nice on-throttle sound, which we love. Downshifts sound good. Way better than it was before. Even with just the rear section installed, it is a little quiet. So you do these midsection deletes, the rear section gives you the flexibility. There's just nothing better than this exhaust setup out there. Another fun thing you get with this exhaust setup is the snaps in between the shift, like the crunches, the frap, like an F80. It sounds a lot more pronounced and exciting inside the car. Even, I mean, outside it's way more dramatic and exciting, but obviously you're the driver of the car, you're inside the car, so this really gives you a much better experience. We're very proud to offer what is truly an unparalleled sound experience for the platform. Nothing quite like it. This is a nice sound level.
Woman.
Close the valves. We're bone stock.
She couldn't even tell we were there.
She ain't gonna know. What you know about it? Nothing.
A lot of cool noises coming from this car.